Next point, that is the form of statement of profit and loss account. According to revised schedule 6, there is a second part or the part B called form of statement of profit and loss. So as you are aware, in this heading also we are prepare it in a vertical form. So there is no horizontal form are prepared here. So again, there are the headings related with the important aspect, income and expenditures related with the profit and loss account. So the first heading, revenue from operation. As you see here, there is no note number because when you prepare some notes to account, the note number is appeared here. So for current reporting period, whatever the figures are there, and previous reporting periods, whatever the figures are appear here are recorded here. So the revenue from operation is the first heading. Revenue from operation is always related with the sale value, that is the sales return or any other direct income from revenue from operation are there. Then other income, whatever the other income mentioned, like a dividend income, like interest income or any other miscellaneous income are recorded under the head of other income. So the total of revenue 1 plus 2, that is a total 3, gives you the total revenue from operation or total revenue, or you can say operating income. Then next expenses are there. There are n number of expenses, and whatever the expenses are included, it is considered under the head of 4 expenses. So the what is again there is in previous account we are preparing trading account. As you are aware about the trading account, how we prepared on debit side, write down the two opening stock, add purchases, add any expenses on purchases, and on credit side buy sales, by closing stock are recorded in this heading. So the again the new schedule or schedule number 6 explain that cost of material consumed, that is the purchase opening stock, are related with it. As you are aware about the word cost of material consumed, we calculate in the cost headings. So the purchase of stock in trade is the amount which is directly appear on your questions. Changes in inventory of finished goods, work in progress, and stock of finished goods. So stock in trade, there are the three inventories. Are you aware? The student from the costing are aware about this inventories type: finished goods, work in process, and stock in trade. Then all employee benefit expenses are included in the employee benefit expenses, like wages paid, salary paid, any remuneration paid to board of director or any director are the some employee benefit expenses are recorded under the head of employee benefit expenses. Then finance cost, whatever the interest paid on the debentures or any other loans are recorded under the head of finance cost. Audit fees also are one of the major changes are there. Audit fees are recorded under the head of finance cost. Then depreciation and amortization expenses, whatever the depreciation written off in your fixed asset, on fixed asset, it is recorded, the second effect is recorded under the depreciation and amortization expenses under this heading. And if any other expenses like the expenses of rent, rate, taxes, printing, other than all employee benefit are recorded under this heading. So the total expenses is given to whatever the total are there. There are n number of notes to account you have to prepare under the expenses, that is the cost of material, employee benefit, finance cost, depreciation, and other expenses. Total of these, whatever the headings are there, it is reduced from the 3 number point, that is the total revenue. When you total revenue minus total expenses gives you the 5 number point profit before exceptional and extraordinary item before tax. So this is your profit. Then we discuss with the some less exceptional items. Some exceptional items are recorded. If there is present in your question, you should be reduce it as an exceptional items. Then answer will be profit before extraordinary item and tax, extraordinary before extraordinary items and tax. Then next point, that the point number 8, less extraordinary items if present in your question. Whatever the answer is there, profit before tax, that is the 7 minus 8. Then point number 10, tax expenses which include the current tax including the whatever the current year tax are there. Second, deferred tax. Deferred tax means if any tax are present in before. So the profit or loss for the period for continuing operation 7 and 7 minus 8. So the whatever the profits or loss from discontinuing operation, this shall be disclosed even if there is not such balance as on balance sheet date. Means these headings are, you have to write these headings if there is no amounts present in the books of accounts or the balance sheet or the trial balance. So you should think next number 11 number, profit or loss for the period from continuing operation. 12, profit or loss from discontinuing operation, then tax expenses on discontinuing operation, then profit or loss from discontinuing operation after tax 12 minus 13, you will get profit or loss for the period 10 plus 14. So whatever the answer is there, it is your profit. Again, the point number 16, earning per equity share, that is basic, and second one diluted. So here your profit and loss account is ends, and you have to memorize all points related with the profit and loss account for your examination purpose.